Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeff is back with another video. It is Super Bowl week, y'all. This coming Sunday, if you're watching this video. And I'm going to share y'all, let's see here, let's count the days. When you get this video, it'll be Tuesday. You have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So the next 6 videos that I post will be my top 6 old school soul food Super Bowl items that I do on my Super Bowl party. But this is only 6. When I do Super Bowl parties, I usually do 20 to 25 items. So I'm going to choose 6 of those 25 and share it with y'all. Because it'll take me 3 weeks to do all my Super Bowl items that I usually do. Super Bowl party is my favorite time of the year. Unfortunately, this year I'm not having one because of the COVID restrictions and a few other things that I'll share with y'all later on this week. But there will be no Super Bowl party at my house for the first time maybe 20 years that I'm not doing a Super Bowl party. It's usually the best thing, most exciting time of the year because I get to cook all kinds of different varieties of foods and desserts and appetizers, and it's amazing Super Bowl for me. But anyway, I'll share that throughout the week with y'all. So anyway, the first one I'm going to do today is the hot wings. Very simple. This is a staple in every Super Bowl party that I have, is my hot wing. I usually do 5 varieties, but I'm going to show you one of them, one of the 5 that I usually do. And I'm just going to do the regular buffalo hot wing. And I'll leave in the description of I'll leave a link of the other ones that I do. I usually do a garlic parmesan, I do Asian, I do a barbecue hot wing, I do a lemon pepper wing too. When you come to my house Super Bowl weekend, like I say, I have no less than 4 different types. So anyway, I'm going to do one today. Let me quit talking and let's get started here. Very simple recipe in this one. I'm going to put some granulated garlic. No, I use my shake here. Take this over here. A little shake on there. You really gotta season them well. That's the key to these wings. They really gotta be seasoned really good. And my cavenders seasoning. It look like a lot of seasoning, but that's all you're gonna get on it other than the sauce. And I'm gonna get them all mixed up in here. Matter of fact, I'm going to use my hands. Get them all mixed good. And I'm going to let this set. I like to let it set overnight. But for time restraints, I'm going to let this set about an hour. Here before I put it in the fryer. I'm going to use my deep fryer. So I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to get my deep fryer set up. And get it come up to temperature. I'm going to fry it on 375 degrees. It's going to get nice and crispy. That's the key. I want them nice and crispy when they come out of the fryer. And when I toss them in the sauce, it'll get all soaked up in there. I'm going to wash my hands here. My hands all washed up here. Clean up in here. And then I'm going to move over here and make my sauce. Get it heating up, get it made up, and then while that's marinating, let's see, let me move this out the way. These 3 items I don't need. And for my sauce here, put these wings over here on the side. Sauce is 3 items. All it is, butter, hot sauce, a little sambal. That's all I put in my hot wing sauce. Very simple, very easy. We're going to move over here to the pot. Get my pot here heating up. Like I say, y'all, when I do Super Bowl party, I have so much to do. It usually take me a day and a half. I usually start that Saturday, all day Saturday, and I finish up that half day because Super Bowl don't usually start to 5:30 p.m. So I have a lot of time to get everything together. But it's so exciting to get this done. Okay, got the pot heating up. I add butter. And I got the recipe in the description video for this, y'all. And I make this so many times, I know how to do this without even measuring it. And of course, you gotta have your hot sauce. So The hot sauce here. Put a little crystals too, but you like use just Cajun salt. Put a little crystal in there too. And a little tablespoon of sambal. All this sambal is, I use a little sambal. All this is garlic. It's garlic Asian sauce. Depending how hot you want it. A couple of those in there. I'm gonna bring this to a slight boil. You don't really want to boil it. All you want to do is bring it up hot enough to incorporate the butter and the hot sauce together. That's all I want to do. This takes 2 minutes. Not even that, depending on how much you got in the pot. That's all I'm gonna do right here. Bring this up to it. Just get them all incorporated. Get that butter melted in that. That's it. That's all it is. I'm gonna turn it off. That's all it is to the sauce, to the hot wing sauce, y'all. Mix it up really good. And when it's set up, it might split on you a little. All you do is take the whisk and whip it back together. Okay, I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna get my deep fryer heating up, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna fry off the wings. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back here. My fryer is hot, so all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw them in the fryer. I'm not gonna bread it, no flour, no nothing. Put it in the fryer just like this. That's what I want to do. Get them nice and crispy. And I'm using a little chips too, because I got some friends that love the chips. Now the key here is not to overcrowd my fryer, because I want to get them nice and crispy. If I overcrowd my fryer, like I probably did already, let me take one out of here. There we go. I want to overcrowd. If I overcrowd my fryer, they're going to boil instead of frying. So I want to get them nice and crispy. And when I take them out of there, I got a pan right here. I'm going to put them on the pan, let them drain. Set them to the side, fry the other ones. And then we're going to toss it in the sauce. So we will be right back, and I'm going to show you the finish. I'm going to show you the... After they get fried, I'll show you, toss them in the sauce and we'll plate them up. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. The chicken is ready. I set my deep fryer to the side. Remember that sauce I made? It's sit right here. I'm gonna heat it back up just a little. Get it back up the room, because if this sauce is actually cold and you toss it with the chicken, the difference in temperature is gonna make it split. Of course, you should know that already, if you've been following me long enough. Okay, let me dry out my bowl here. I'm just using the same bowl I did when I marinated the chicken. I just washed it out. So let me dry it out here. Okay, this chicken is nice and crispy, y'all. That's the key. Okay. Just the temperature here. All right. Now, what I'm going to do here, put this chicken in the bowl here. I drained it. That's the key, to drain the chicken. As you can see, it's nice and crispy. Make sure y'all can see. Yeah, okay. Them little tips there. I got a friend that loves these tips. Rather have the chips than the meat. I don't know. I like the flats. I'm a flat person. I'm all in here. You can hear the crispiness of the chicken. Nice and seasoned. That's the key too. Okay, cut my sauce. Heat it back up. Now all I'm going to do, take this sauce and pour it on top here, y'all. Get all that out of there. Rubber spatula. I'm just going to toss all that sauce in there together. Get it all tossed. And what I do, y'all, I like to let it sit in the... One of them don't want to cooperate. One of them don't want to cooperate on me. I want to get sauced. Okay, I like to let it sit in that sauce about 5-10 minutes. and let that all that good sauce just marinate in there. Now I'm gonna let this set about 5 minutes. I'm gonna come back. I got my plates here, and I'm gonna show you just how I set them on when I do my Super Bowl party. I got my little plates here. I got ranch in one and blue cheese in the other. And that's how I set it on my table. Then of course I have 3 or 4 other wings with different sauces too in the same type bowls when I set it up. But this is how I present it when the people come over. So anyway, I'm gonna let this sit in the bowl a little bit, marinate a little bit more, plate this up, and we'll be right back to taste them. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Now, this is how I plate them up when I do my Super Bowl. I got ranch here, I got blue cheese here. Then, like I said, my lemon pepper wing, I got another sauce. Asian wing, I do like a Asian-based sauce. In my garlic, I do what kind of sauce do I do for my garlic parmesan? Oh, I do like a honey, not a honey, but having a brain cramp, yeah. A horseradish cream mustard base. It all goes and flows well together. And of course, in my honey barbecue, I use a barbecue sauce for that. So I do usually 6 kind of wings, but all these wings are on my YouTube channel here. You just search them. I'm trying to put the link in each one of them in the video. So let's try this. I'm a blue cheese person myself. I'll switch this way. I love the flats, y'all. Definitely my favorite one is the flats. Oh, wow. It's so good, y'all. You can't get this at Buffalo Wild Wings. I even like the little chips too sometimes, y'all. They got a little meat on them. Seriously, y'all. I could eat this whole bowl. Big time. Eat this whole bowl of these wings. They're that good. But anyway, I hope this make your little Super Bowl party a little easier. Because you can these wings here cost me $5.50. It's best to get your wings at the store now early, because don't wait till Saturday or Sunday to get them, because the price will go up, and also they're going to be limited in availability. Like I said, I bought all these for almost $6. So yeah, and you can't get this $6 in no Wingstop or Wild Wings or any of them places that I cannot stand. So I think they rip people off. But that's another story for another video. So anyway, please share this video. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag for 2021 is hashtag help somebody old school soul food. And I hope y'all have a blessed old school soul food day and have a happy Super Bowl Sunday. See y'all next video. Bye.